Here we go. Hurricane Harbor.
Oh, is
It's go time. Will you do it?
4 riders on that.
Yeah! Woo!
Riders on that.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's supposed to be.
I don't know that I want to ride this one.
Are you riding this?
Do you think I can ride this one?
Anna.
Yeah. All right, Blue Raider time. Blue Raider. All right, this is the footage you've all been waiting to see. Jessie, Font Family Mom, is about to ride a water slide, which does not happen often. Yeah. Okay. She is riding the Blue Raider, an excellent ride.
Scary. Very scary.
And I'll turn it over to you.
Not happy. Doing it for my son who talked me into it. The girls are screaming like crazy. I'm already nervous. It's freezing.
Oh, yeah.
Ethan! I'm nervous.
You should be.
Y'all, this is not even funny. I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret this. This is not even funny. Never again. Never again will I let you. Oh my God. Never again will I let you talk me into a rough. Not even funny. Y'all, for real, never again. I get to help edit this one.
I can't wait to watch that footage.
Never again will I let you. I get to help edit this one. Never again will I let you. I get to help edit this one. Never again will I let you.
Mega Wedgie time.
Oh, gosh.
Anna and Shay are up next.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
What's going on, Haley?
I don't like going backwards because I have to go.
Oh yeah, you're going backwards.
No, I have to. Bye.
Do it. See ya. Coming in, look at that drop. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a great face. Here we go. Here we go. Yes! Oh man.
That was so scary.
I cannot wait to slow-mo that face. That's a good slide. All right, where are we going next?
They want to do the wakeboarding.
Boogie Board. All right, Boogie Board time. All right, listen up. Y'all want to do a quick competition?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, Mom is going to do a stopwatch.
They blow the
Whoever goes the longest wins. Now, if both of you get a whistle blown, then it'll probably be a tie because you can't control the whistle.
The winner gets dipping dots right now.
Stopwatch, girls, ready? Aaron's sitting this one out.
I'm going last.
Okay, he's gonna know what he needs to beat. Hey, I'm in this competition too.
Oh. Never mind. I'm going second.
Oh, this one's tougher. This is tougher than Epic Waters because you got to drop in. A little tougher.
Then I'm next.
Are you gonna win?
Well, I don't know. She probably will.
Oh.
I will not.
Who's gonna win, Shay?
I can't.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Competition begins now. All right, she's on. We're doing a competition to see who can ride the longest. At some point, you might have to blow the whistle, but she's doing good. Man, she's a champ. Oh yeah, she's in there winning right now. Wow. I think she's gonna win this. Uh-oh, she's getting blown off. Oh, he's about to blow it. Oh, he's gonna let it. Yeah, she's looking for you to blow it. You blow it. All right, nice job. Oh, wipe out. She's gonna wipe out. Yeah. that's a tough one to beat. Haley set the mark.
Really? You got the whistle?
Yeah, you got the whistle. So no matter what, you can't lose. Stay here with me.
Are you fine?
All right, let's go, Anna. Uh-oh. Stay here with me. Uh-oh, I don't think she's gonna win. Bom, bom, bom. All right, Shay, you're up. All right, let's go, Shay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, she's got a chance. Yeah, hang on to it. She's doing good. Uh-oh, I think she's drifting. Oh. All right, Haley, you're in the lead. Come on, bro. Tie it, bro. Uh-oh, uh-oh. He's fighting it. He's got it. Oh, we got a competition now. Oh, he's struggling though. He's struggling. What do you think? Is he gonna win it? Is he gonna tie it? He might. Oh, he's doing good.
Do you jump in right here?
Yeah, he's doing well. I think he's gonna get the whistle. Oh, he's going show off mode. That might be bonus points for the win. All right, blow it. Oh, okay. See the time. We gotta see the time. Oh, what happened there? Injury. Oh, Ethan got bruised. I'm terrible at that. Nice rides. Let's see
You
what.
want to know who won?
Well, Haley got a whistle.
Okay, so
We called it a tie.
And I did more tricks.
We did do more tricks.
okay, so we have Dad.
I didn't do very well.
6
6 seconds,
and
yeah.
30
I didn't do very well. Did I do worse? Did I finish
You
last?
have to wait. 41 seconds.
Oh, that's 40.
Ethan. Shay got 10. You
You beat me. Come on.
All
Oh.
right, let's see. Next one, Anna. Is that right? Yeah. 6. So,
Oh, oh.
Exactly.
We tied. Let's go.
Exact same time?
Tied for last. Tied for last.
and that's
I'm not in last alone.
all right. And Haley.
Oh,
but
got the
they
whistle.
blew the whistle.
So that's why it's a tie. We'll take a tie. We called it that if people got blown out by the whistle, you couldn't lose.
I was jumping off and
I know you get that. You get first place for style.
Who wants to ride one of the big 3 slides? Oh, we got a lot today.
I'm not.
Ethan just got injured. We'll give you a pass because he got injured. All right, here we go.
Hey,
show his
hey,
leg?
if
I
he
showed
got
his leg.
injured, then. And also I filmed this.
All right, let's go. Which ones do we want to ride?
The one closest to us.
Yep, that's one Haley wants. It's called Stuka.
That's the classic.
Hey, Shay, are you riding it with us? Oh yeah, Stuka. That's the slide we're going down. That's Stuka. Oh, it's steep. It's fast. It's furious. Here we go. Yes, Shay is tall enough. Oh, look at that. Look at that view. Climbing the stairs. We'll see you at the top. All right. Hey, we're at the top.
So fast.
Yeah.
What's everybody thinking? Anna's first.
I'm excited.
Excited?
Same.
I'm just a little nervous, but like I
nervous?
know that you go straight down, then you go out, so it's
That's
not
right.
that bad.
Only this much.
Oh yeah, I'm
and a lot
excited.
this much.
Good.
I'm excited.
So I showed this to Abby. If y'all come over here and you look down, that usually helps you understand how high you are. Does that make you nervous?
It's pretty high. Not really nervous though.
Alright, that's how high we are. Whoa, that car looks so small. And Anna is next. Oh, thumbs are up.
Okay, go Anna, go.
You're up.
Go Anna.
Dun, 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 dun. See ya.
Yeah.
Woo, Anna!
And Aaron is next. Last thoughts?
It's not as cold as I thought it was gonna be.
Oh, all right, that's good.
It's good.
He's not thinking about the height.
Nah, it's just the temperature.
It's the
I'm worried
temperature.
about.
Thumbs are up.
Go Anna, go.
You got
You got this.
See ya. Whoa.
There it goes. Woo,
nervous.
Not that scary.
What are you thinking?
I think it's not that.
Okay. Aaron has completed it, and the Hoffmans are done. Now it's time for the Fontanellis to step up.
I'm gonna act like it's a small water slide.
That's all you gotta do. Thumbs are up. See ya, Haley.
Yeah, Haley!
Woo! Haley!
And next to Shay. What you thinking right now?
Scared, nervous.
All right, let's take a look over this edge. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! That's pretty intense. You got it. Not yet. Oh yeah, you're good. See ya.
Woo! Shay! Woo! Way to go!
All right. Now it's time for your time. First person view. Here we go. All right, we got thumbs up. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, what everybody think?
That was
Like
great.
whenever I was like trying to lay down, she goes,
again
make
later
sure you cross
Okay.
your feet. And I was like, what? And then I was like, and I was
Nice.
like, oh, you off, and she goes, cross your
Going to
feet.
the racers? Time for the E-racers. Oh yeah. All right, we are on the racers. Okay, Haley on orange, Anna on purple, Shay on blue, Aaron on blue, Ethan on purple. I'm taking orange. Oh, Shay, are you going for the jump start? Okay, I do gotta watch that. All right, I will sacrifice the win to watch Shay at this jump start. All right, we're gonna see when you're gonna hit the buttons, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go.
Ready? Set. Go.
Go, Shay, jump. Oh, that jump start might work. That jump start might have worked for Shay. Here we go. Let's see who won. Who do we think won? Whoa. Did you win? Aaron won. Who won? Who won? I tell you, Shay's jump start was good. Aaron won, but he is the biggest. That was expected. Nice job. I want to see where Shay finished. I want to see where Shay finished. She did good. Dude, that was a good jump start.
Go.
Go, Shay, jump. Oh, that jump start might work.
For sure I was gonna win.
Everyone thinks they won.
My turn.
Well, not me, 'cause I know
My turn
I
was very fun. I was like on the side the entire time.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we know Aaron got first. I think Shay got second because, man, her start was fast. We're guessing.
So what Shay did is she put her thing on and then ran back.
Oh,
And
yeah.
jumped
And her start was flawless, too. All right, here we go. Photo finish. Here.
So here we go.
Shay, get in there.
So there's Aaron. Let's see who comes out next.
Who's next?
Haley.
Haley got second.
Because then here comes Shay.
Shay got third?
Yep. And then Daddy came in as a dark horse.
Hey, I got a late start, too.
Oh no, that's Ethan coming in right there.
Oh, boo.
Then Anna, then Daddy.
So I was last.
I got fourth.
Okay.
All right, I just got a warning from the GoPro that we are out of memory.
Lunch.
So
Hungry.
thanks for watching this video.
Hurricane
Done.
Harbor. Get in it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like and give us a huge thumbs up and go and hit the bell. Get out of here.